Introduction to data structure. Data structure is representation of logical relationship existing between individual elements of data. In other words, data structure is a way of organizing all data elements that consider not only the elements stored but also their relationship to each other. Data structure mainly specify following things: organizing data, accessing associativity, degree of associativity, processing alternative for information. Data structure are the building block of a program, and hence the selection of particular data structure of following things. The data structure must be rich enough in the structure to reflect the relationship existing between the data, and the structure should be simple so that we can uh, process data efficiency whenever required. Data structure affects both structural and functional aspect of program. Data structure are classified in two ways: primitive data structure, non-primitive data structure. In primitive data structure, there are basics structure and are directly operated upon by the machine instruction. These in general have different representation on different computer: integers, floating points, numbers, characters, constant, string, constant, pointers, etc. Second, non-primitive data structures. These are more sophisticated data structure. These are derived from the primitive data structure. These non-primitive data structures emphasis on structuring of the group of homogeneous data elements. Data items are array and list are examples. Other operations of data structure include searching, sorting, merging. First, searching. This operation finds the desired data item in the list of data items. It is also may find the location of all elements that satisfy certain condition. Sorting. Sorting algorithm is used to rearrange a given array or list elements according to a comparison operator on the elements. The comparison operator is used to decide the new order of elements in the respective data structure. Next, merging. Merge sort is a sorting technique based on divide and conquer technique, with worst case time complexity being 0 n log n. It is one of the most respected algorithm. Second, stack. A stack is a basic data structure that can be logically thought of as linear structure represented by a real physical stack or piles. A structure where insertion and deletion of item takes place at one end, called the top end of the stack. The basic concept can be illustrated by thinking of your data set as a stack of plates or books where you can only take the top item of the stack in order to remove things from it. This structure is used all throughout programming. The basic implementation of stack is also called a LIFO, that is last in first out, to demonstrate the way it accesses data, since as we will see there are various variation of stack implementations. There are basically three operations. That can be performed on stack. They are inserting an element into the stack, that is push, deleting an item from the stack, that is the pop, and displaying the content of the stack. The first, push. The process of adding new element to the top of the stack is called push operation. For every pushing element, top of a stack is incremented by 1. If array is full and no element can be inserted, that condition is called stack full or stack overflow condition. This is the example, that is the algorithm for push operation. Second, pop. Pop function is used to remove an element from the top of the stack. That is the newest element in the stack. The element is removed to the stack container and the size of the stack is decreased by 1. If there is no element in the stack, the pop is performed, then there will be result into stack underflow or stack empty condition. Next is the algorithm. Applications of stack frames, C memory maps, reversing a string, infix and postfix conversions, undo mechanism in text editors, removing varying bangles, support for recursion, garage that is only one method called car can go out. Next is the queue. Queue is an abstract data structure somewhat similar to stack. Unlike stacks, a queue is open at both its ends. One end is always used to insert data and the other end is used to remove data. That is DQ. Queue follows first in first methodology, that is the data item stored first will be accessed first. A real world example of queue can be a single lane one way road where the vehicle enters first, exit first. More real world example can be seen as queue as the ticket window and bus stop. Operations on queue: insertion of element in queue, deletion of element from a queue.